I am going to ask you guys STA questions. What is STA? We are using it. Why not the dynamic timing analysis?
Hello?
Hello?
Study timing as required, it doesn't require input, bro.
Yes.
And dynamic analysis input vector.
Yeah.
And runtime is more for dynamic analysis, and runtime is very less for static analysis.
Yeah. True.
And to simulate and verify all the paths in a pessimistic way, we are going for static timing analysis.
I am going for the next question. Can I have infinity load if I can maintain the required transition? Can I? I am repeating once again. Can I have the infinity load if I can maintain the required transition? Guys, anyone can answer.
Please tell me again, bro.
Can I have infinity load if I can maintain the required transition?
No, bro. If we have infinite load, means the fan out will be more, right? So that charging will be slow, so delay will be more.
Okay.
So we would not maintain infinite load.
Here one more is there. One more point is there. Can I maintain a required transition for the finite load? For the infinity load, I am maintaining a good transition, a required transition. Then it will be fine, right?
Yeah. Yes, good transition is okay.
Yeah. Okay. I am going for the next question. Why max cap, max fan out checks are important?
Because if you check first DRVs only, TAN cap violation, then there will be less chance to have a setup and hold violation. So if TAN is violated, then there will be more chance of violating setup and hold, right? So first we have to fix DRVs like setup, like TAN cap.
Yeah. Why max cap or max fan out checks are important?
Because if TAN is violated, means what? Then delay will be more, right? And cap and fan out violation also cell delay will be more.
Okay. So I'm not speaking about I'm not speaking about max TAN. Max cap and max fan out checks are important or not? Why it is important?
No, because those are very important because that depends upon load, right? How much that is driving. So more load means will be more. So we have to be split the load like the load splitting, cloning, those things we have to do for reducing the load. Fan out.
Okay. What are recommended procedure for the designers to close the whole time violations?
Deep enough capture flop.
Deep in of the capture flop. Okay. Any feature other than that?
We can downsize also. We can downsize the cells present in that.
Okay.
And we can adding buffers in data path.
Okay. I'm going for the next question. What methods do you follow to close the timing when the design is in critical?
At which stage?
Design is in critical stage. What methods do you follow to close the timing?
Path grouping.
At placement stage, or else you are asking setup and hold various fixes?
No, not setup and hold violation. Design is in critical stage. It may be any stage. At the sign
Okay.
off, you know, you people know till routing how to fix setup and hold. After
Yeah.
that, if you are facing
Okay.
any design credibility, design is in critical stage. What methods do you follow? I mean, after routing, I can say.
After routing, we are doing ESOs, right? For if setup or it means we can update the cell, and by using ECOs, you can fix it.
By
Hold
ECO,
variation, you
ECO
can insert
fixes, we
buffer.
can fix it. Yeah, okay. Okay. Now I'm going for the next question. How do you timing analysis when the data path moves from slow domain to fast domain?
Hello, bro. Tell me again, bro.
Yeah. How do you do timing analysis when the data path moves from slow domain to domain?
Increase the cell size.
Can I repeat it again? How do you do timing analysis when the data path moves from slow domain to fast domain? Okay, fine. I'm going for the next question. Is it synthesizer at least for DSM design? Hello, guys.
Yes, bro.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
DFM, bro.
Will you go ahead? Yeah, DSM. DSM, you know, right? What is DSM?
DFM,
Yes.
design design for manufacturability. That checks about quality reliability of the chip. Maintenance and actions we are checking, right? Open for
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah. My question is it worth doing 0 hours DS for the synthesizer at least for
11 to 11 స్టార్ట్ చేస్తా
hello?
11 స్టార్ట్ చేయడు కదా
Oh, so sorry, come again.
11 అంటే 11 స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం
Yeah, till 11 I will do it. Yeah, I'm going for the next question. Will you go ahead if we have 10 to 20 PS negative slack for the synthesizer at least?
yeah. So we can move forward. If we have 20 piece violation synthesis, we can move forward PD, right?
Yeah, how we will move? Why we will move to take for this? What are the root cause?
Yeah. And since we are using zero load model, right? No net delay.
Okay.
And we're not fixing synthesis also. If we have a more like 100 PS means we can fix it to by applying path groups, and we can by doing map options we can do by optimizing timing like 50 PS. Then we can move forward to 3D.
Okay. Okay, fine. Now I'm going for the next question. What will you do if you have a 500 PS slack for synthesized netlist? For the synthesized netlist, not in synthesis stage, it is already synthesized netlist. It is having a 500 PS slack.
Okay, in placement we can do by path groups, right? Path groups, and by creating regions we can avoid in placement stage. Because up to placement clock is idle, right? And synthesis also clock is idle. So the actual clock routing is not done up to placement. Clock is idle, right? So we are for that we are creating path groups and creating regions so that we could have, can get the less slack violations and placement stage.
Okay, I'm going for the next question. How will you solve if you have a 1ns slack after place what might be the reason?
Because cancer and creating was not done properly, creating slack violations.
Okay, I'm going for the next timing checks you will do.
DRVs and
Hold
setup
result.
and hold.
DRV setup and hold. That's
Hold.
it. Yeah, only that's it.
Yeah,
only that's it, or something else are there? Remain.
Yeah, for sign up stage we can do removal checks, recover checks, min pass speed checks, clock grading checks, min data to data checks.
Yeah, okay. I'm going for the next question. Do all the flops have same setup and hold time?
No, bro. Different flops have different library setup and library. For each and every flop have different library setup and hold value.
Okay. Same flop. My question is something like flop can have same setup and hold time. For a single flop, there will be a setup time and hold time, right?
Yes, bro.
Yeah. Is it same or different? If it is
Different
same, why?
only.
If it is different, why? Different, why?
Because clock to Q delay different. Each and every flop has different clock to Q delay. So there won't be any setup and library setup and hold values for same flops.
Okay. I'm going for the next question. What is negative temperature inversion?
If we are doing higher technologies means threshold voltage is very more, right? Because due to threshold was more means current drain current ID means very less. So cell delay will be more in high technology node. When we are coming to lower technologies, VT is very less. So that ID will be more and cell delay will be less. So when we are comparing high technology and lower technologies, because of temperature we're getting different delays, right? So that's what temperature is.
Yeah, my question is if in a lower technology, if temperature is increases, what will happen to the delay?
Yeah, if temperature increase means mobility increases, right? Mobility increase means scattering of electrons will be less, so that the cell delay will be more.
Cell delay will be more.
When temperature.
Think. I am going for the next question. How do we estimate the slack if it occurs during first optimization stage? I mean trial routing.
During placement stage, right? Bro, trial routing means will be done during placement stage only.
Trial routing means it is initial stage only.
Routing stage only?
I can say, yeah, no, not routing stage. It is a global routing. Everywhere it will do. Each stage global routing.
Global routing, right?
Yeah. How do you estimate the slack if it occurs during first optimization stage?
Hello.
Yeah, Viru. Hello.
We are not getting you. Tell me again, bro. I'm not understanding question clarity.
Yeah, how do we estimate slack if it occurs during first optimization stage? How do we estimate slack?
Estimate means we are getting double after completion of placement means we are getting violations, right? WNS and TNS violating part.
Yeah.
If it is negative, if it is more negative means we are estimating that the slack is violated. So that we will do optimized techniques, right? Path groups and creating regions based on slack violation.
Okay, I'm going for the next question. Which is more complicated between 8 megahertz and 500 megahertz clock size, clock design? Which is more complicated? 48 megahertz or 500 megahertz? Which is complicated design here? 48 megahertz, 500.
500 megahertz.
Yeah, why?
Because if the frequency is high, time period will be less. And if the time period is less, the flip-flops have to work within very few time, within very less time.
Short duration.
So there will
Fine,
be
I'm going for the next question. Yeah, correct. What are the three fundamental operating conditions that determine the delay characteristics of the gate? How operating condition affect the gate delay?
Gate delay. Process, depends on
voltage and
PVT variations.
temperature.
Process voltage and
Okay.
temperature.
Okay.
The process variation means length, technology length will be, channel length will be varied, right?
Yes.
And if voltage varies means suppose the cell which is very closer to the power pattern, it will get sufficient voltage. The cell which is far to that, it will get less voltage because of IR drop. So that cell delay will be more than for cell for that particular cell. And if temperature increase means for higher technologies it will be varies, and lower technology it will be varies. Cell delay. Higher technology will be more, lower technology will be less.
Okay. Yeah. My next question is: in design with the hold violation, will solving down the clock frequency help?
No, because hold is frequency independent, right? If setup is validated means we can decrease in frequency we can meet. Hold will not depend upon frequency, right? By simply inserting buffer the only option by doing ECU after routing stage.
Okay. What is the difference between setup time and hold time?
Setup time means it has to be stable some time before the clock hit. Hold
Okay.
time means it has to be stable after clock hit. If it is not stable means if like stable means it has to be like either 0 or 1 only before the clock hit. If it is changing means 0 1, it will go to flop may go to metastable state, so that we will get more violations. So that it has to be stable like either 0 or 1 before the clock hit and after the clock hit in order to capture the data properly for sampling.
Yeah. My question is next question is timing paths. No, your voice is not audible. Some disturbance is there. Yeah. Now tell me, what are the four valid timing paths?
Sir, into
Into
register,
and
register to
into-
register,
and
register
out,
to out,
into
or
out.
into out.
Yeah. My another question is, in how many corners did you close the timing? How did you decide upon the corner derating factor?
So,
Can you repeat it again?
How many corners did you close the timing?
In physical design, up to routing, we can do 2-3 corners. After that, we will check around 200 to 300 corners. Not
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5 something. In my block, I have
Okay.
done 5 nanometer.
And
In placement, I have done 6 corners. And CTS and routing 13 corners.
come again.
In placement stage, around 6 corners were there for setup, and 5 funk corner and 2 test corners. In that one only one, the corner which is in funk 0.675, 0.67, typical 40 degrees CVOS, TCVOS. That corner has more violating path edge to edge.
Okay. How did you decide upon the corner and derating factors? Like what is the dominant corner for the placement stage? What is the dominant corner for the CTS stage? You will decide, right? What are the derating factors need to apply each stage? How did you decide?
For setup,
Your
we are
voice is
checking worst corners, right? For setup, we are checking worst corners. RC worst, RC worst, CC worst. For whole, you are checking best corners.
yes. Okay. My next question is, how is hold analysis done for multi-cycle paths?
At 0 clock cycle. Sir, at the same
So
clock
data path is
cycle we
more
have
than
done.
clock cycle means.
For the whole analysis done for the multi-cycle path, how it will done for the multi-cycle path?
Sir, in the multi-cycle part, we for the hold analysis, we have checked the hold at the same launch age of the clock. Suppose if for the multi-cycle we have set the time period is time the capture is 4, then we will not check the hold at 3, but we will check only hold at 0 clock cycle.
Okay. Is it the equation will differ or it will be same
So differ, it's
for the whole?
it will not valid n minus 1. It will check only on the same at the launch clock.
Multi-cycle path, it is checking for the same edge.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. I'm going for the next. How are RC of the models for the delay calculation? How are RC for the net modeled for the delay calculation? For the net, we'll calculate delays, right?